the government would be wrong to say that these are brave decisions to make. At the end of the day, as you said, or as we heard in that video package, people have a certain perception of what is being proposed and support that perception. But the reality is 4.5 billion of the cuts announced this week, 4.5 billion out of 4.8, will fall on working age, sickness and disability benefits. Now, if we then consider the Department for Work and Pensions' own reports, they publish an annual report as to fraud in the benefit system, the rate of fraud in personal independence payment, for example, is considered so low that they assign it a rating of 0%. So I do think that we need to be very careful as politicians to be peddling this narrative that those people with disabilities in Wales and across the UK are somehow gaming the system. The reality is, as confirmed by government's own reports and statistics, that is not the truth. That is not the case. And at the end of the day, half of all people in Wales with disabilities are already in employment. What we're talking about here is ensuring that they have those much vital support to ensure that they can live full and fulfilling lives. And as far as I'm concerned, I thought that is exactly the type of function that the state should perform to support the most vulnerable.